Welcome back, my wonderful scientists. Thank you so much for joining me in video 2 so we can get to work. You already got your supplies ready, journal, pencil, crayons. Open up to a new clean page. Our instructions ask us to please watch this teacher video to draw, color, and label these 4 words. Will you read them with me, please? The first one says cloudy. The second one says rainy. This little one says icy. And our fourth, windy. Beautiful job. 1, 2, 3, 4 words to draw and label. We're going to make a 4 square in our journals. We have our page. Let's start up top with a straight line down the middle. 1, 2, but we have 4. So I'm going to use this top line right here to draw my second and separate into 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Up top, we always have today's date. Nice job. Give me a 2. Give me a 9. Give me a 21. 2, 9, 21. Check, check, check. Now, let's go take a look at our first weather word. We're going to see it. We're going to read it. We're going to write it. And we're going to draw and color it. I hope you're ready. Our first weather word, what's that say? Cloudy. One more time, cloudy. Beautiful. Let's all go write the word cloudy in our first box. Here we go. I'm going to use this line and copy exactly what I see. Sound it out while you're writing. O, ow, d, 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 d. E with a Y. Check your word. Cloudy. Does it say C-L-O-U-D-Y? Nice job. Cloudy is where the sky has many clouds. Take a look at this picture here. The clouds can be blue, gray, white, black. They can be fat, they can be skinny, they can be fluffy, they can be all grouped together or all spread out 6 feet social distance. But when we see clouds in the sky, we say the weather is cloudy. Everybody, grab your pencil, grab your crayons, and you need to show me in your cloudy box a cloudy sky. You decide what kind of clouds you will make. Remember, lots to choose from. And start to show your cloudy sky. My favorite are the fluffies. Once you've added some clouds in your cloudy box, grab those crayons and show some color details. If you would like to have the sun hiding behind a cloud, you could add that too. But our main focus in this square are clouds, clouds, clouds. I'm going to let my clouds stay white and color blue sky around them. Make sure we can still read your words. Don't color on your label. Take your time, use your color details, and be proud of your weather work today. I'm done with my cloudy box. If you're not done, pause the video and finish it up. If you are, vámonos. We've got 3 more words to learn. Check out this R word with me. It says rainy. Your turn. One more time. Rainy. Excellent. Rainy is the kind of weather where things get wet. You can see this little boy is using a umbrella so he doesn't get wet. There are drops falling from the sky. I see lots of drops in this picture. Sometimes it can be a light drizzle, a sprinkle of rain, or a A downpour, a gush of big drops. Our next one, we are spelling the word rainy. Everybody grab your pencil, grab your journal. Say it with me. Rainy. Write it with me. A-I. Ray. Y on the end. Check it out. Rainy. We got it going on. But where is that rain falling from? Not the sun. Falls out of the clouds. You are amazing. I'm going to start my picture with some clouds up top. Not the whole picture clouds, because that was the cloudy square. I just want a few skinny clouds up top. So out of those clouds falls my rain. Grab that blue crayon and show me your raindrops. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Or if you have your rain boots and your umbrella, it can be fun to play in the rain. Please take your time. Show me your rainy box. Has clouds, rain falling out of them. Blue raindrops. And your clouds might be dark and stormy. I'm going to add some black crayon details and kind of shade them in. These are stormy rain clouds. Take your time, add your color details, and make sure your rainy box has a label and has some raindrops to show me. If you're not done with these two boxes, pause and finish. If you are, let's move on. 2 more to go. Oh, how pretty. Wow. Beautiful, icy weather. Say that little I word with me. Icy. Wonderful. Icy weather is when the ground is covered with ice. Freezing temperatures. Cold, cold, cold. The sun is out. There are some clouds, but we are focusing on the trees covered in ice and the ground covered in ice and snow. Let's move on down. We're on to our last 2 boxes. First, we have to write our label. I'm going to use the line so I can write my letters nice and neat. Everybody write it and read it with me. Here we go. I see says S, Y on the end. Oh, it's a little hard to see mine. You can check on the screen. Sound it out. I-C-Y. Icy. It's time to color an icy picture. What color are we going to use? Check out this picture. Blue, white, and do your best. I'm going to use my black crayon and just show the ground is all white. My tree has no leaves. And icicles are drooping down on my branches. If you want to add a snowflake, some icy looking symbols, but there's no rain, there's no green grass. It is very cold, white ice and white snow. We are ready for our last word in our last picture. So far, we have cloudy, rainy, icy. What's our last one? Dun, 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 dun. Windy. Say that word with me. Windy. Windy. Wonderful. Windy is the kind of weather where things blow around. Check out this picture. What's blowing around there? The sand. You got it. The wind is blowing it to the side. Wind could blow leaves. Wind could blow flower petals. Wind could blow butterflies. We have to draw the wind's blowing something in our last picture. Grab your pencil, grab your journal. Our last label, repeat it and write it with me. Windy. Win, w, in, win, e. Windy. Check your word that you've spelled it correctly as you see on the screen. And what are you going to draw blowing around? I'm going to draw some leaves. I also want to show the movement of the wind. So I'm going to make little blowy looking wavy lines. But I will show what is blowing. I've got a tree. It's not in the winter. It's not an icy tree. And from this tree, the wind is going to blow my leaves around. It is a windy day. The leaves are blustering around. You could do leaves like me or sand like in this picture. But please show me your label says windy. Something is blowing something else around. Let's check our journals. We should have 4 pictures and 4 labels. Read them with me. Cloudy, rainy, icy, windy. Do you have all 4 words? Do you have today's date? Now, I want to add some more color details. You can check your journal, see how you are. Are you ready for more color or done? Don't turn it in if you haven't done your best work. When you are ready, please take a picture of your nice anchor chart and upload it to Google Classroom for your teacher. If you have some extra time, go research some weather on PebbleGo or BrainPop. Or you can even go outside, check out the real life weather, and draw me a picture of what you see. I will see you tomorrow to do some more fun activities. Adios, amigos.